Imagine if time travel was possible, and Vincent Van Gogh had a chance to visit Korea. How would the bustling city of Seoul look through his eyes? Let's delve into this fascinating concept. The heart of Korea, Seoul, with its vibrant city life, would surely captivate Van Gogh. The city's towering skyscrapers, a stark contrast to the traditional palaces, might have intrigued him, adding a unique blend of history and modernity to his palette. Van Gogh, a man who found beauty in the mundane, would likely be enamored by the rhythmic flow of the Han River, its shimmering surface reflecting the city's lights. The surrounding parks, teeming with life, would provide a canvas for his creative outpouring. Perhaps this dynamic cityscape could even inspire a reinterpretation of his celebrated masterpiece, Starry Night, with Seoul's dazzling nightscape as the backdrop. As his journey continues, Van Gogh leaves the city behind, stepping into the natural beauty of Korea. Now envision Van Gogh on Jeju Island, a place of exquisite natural beauty. As the morning sun dances on the island's lush landscapes, one can imagine how the Dutch artist might have been captivated. The rolling green hills, verdant forests, and fields of vibrant wildflowers could have easily found their way onto his canvas. Imagine Van Gogh drawn to the majestic Halasan Mountain, the highest peak in South Korea. The mountain, with its ever-changing hues throughout the day, might have presented a tantalizing challenge for Van Gogh's brushstrokes. Then there's the island's volcanic craters, their stark and rugged beauty contrasting with the softness of the surrounding fields. These unique geological formations, a testament to the island's volcanic past, could have intrigued Van Gogh. They could have added a new dimension to his work, a different perspective from the flat landscapes of his homeland. One might wonder how these elements might have influenced his unique artistic style. Could the vibrant colors of Jeju Island have led to a Korean version of Wheatfield with cypresses? Perhaps the emerald greens of the island's landscapes replacing the golden hues of the wheat fields. The towering Halasan Mountain taking the place of the cypresses, and the volcanic craters offering a dramatic backdrop. From the soothing calm of Jeju Island, Van Gogh ventures to the historical city of Gyeongju. This journey continues to inspire us, showing how new surroundings can influence and shape our creative expressions. Gyeongju, a city rich in history and culture, would have undoubtedly intrigued Van Gogh. Imagine the Dutch post-impressionist painter, known for his vivid colors and dramatic, impulsive, and expressive brushwork, stepping foot in this ancient city. Gyeongju, often referred to as the Museum Without Walls, is a place where history is alive, and its pulse can be felt in every corner. Let's take a moment to consider the profound impact this city might have had on Van Gogh's artistic style. The intricate designs of the Bulguksa Temple, for instance, could have served as an incredible source of inspiration. This Silla Kingdom gem, with its exquisite stone carvings and stunning pagodas, embodies a unique blend of symmetry, balance, and beauty. Van Gogh, with his keen eye for detail and appreciation for the unconventional, might have found himself captivated by the temple's architectural elegance. Now visualize Van Gogh at the serene Anapji Pond, enveloped by the tranquility of its surroundings. This peaceful setting, with its perfect harmony of nature and architecture, could have offered him a fresh perspective. Van Gogh's brush might have danced on the canvas, capturing the reflective waters of the pond under the moonlight, the surrounding verdant foliage, and the rustic charm of the pavilions. Van Gogh's journey through Korea is a testament to the country's diverse landscapes and rich culture. Gyeongju, with its ancient allure and artistic wealth, could have been a significant chapter in his journey, forever imprinted in his heart and his art. So what if Vincent van Gogh had visited Korea? How might it have shaped his artistry? If Van Gogh had soaked in the vibrant city life of Seoul, we can imagine the city's neon lights and bustling markets mirrored in his vivid color palette. The artist's knack for capturing movement could have been further honed by the rhythm of Seoul's urban scenes. Picture Van Gogh on Jeju Island, where the island's natural beauty might have influenced his brushstrokes. The island's volcanic landscapes, the serene beaches, and the lush greenery could have added a whole new dimension to his work, possibly inspiring more landscape masterpieces. And what about Gyeongju? With its rich historical heritage, it's easy to see how the city's ancient temples and royal tombs could have given Van Gogh new perspectives and insights, potentially leading to a blend of Eastern and Western artistic styles. Indeed, the possibilities are endless, just like the strokes on Van Gogh's canvas. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? Make sure to subscribe and join us on our next artistic journey.